In today's video, I will walk you through how to switch trading accounts on MetaTrader 5. To begin, make sure you have the login credentials for the trading account you want to use. To log into a different trading account, go to the top left corner of the MetaTrader 5 platform and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Login to Trade Account. This will open the login window where you can enter the details for the account you want to access. Enter your login ID in the login field and your password in the password field. Next, select the correct server for your account from the server drop-down list. After selecting the correct server, check the box to save your password. This allows the platform to remember your login details for future use. Once all the required information has been entered, click the OK button. The platform will log you into the selected trading account. If you have already logged into multiple accounts on the same computer and want to switch between them, you can do that directly from the Navigator window. Look at the left side of the platform for the Navigator panel. If you do not see the Navigator window, go to the top of the platform, click View, and then select Navigator from the drop-down menu. This will display the Navigator panel if it is hidden. Inside the Navigator window, find the Accounts section and click the plus icon next to it to expand the list. Then expand the server that contains your saved accounts. You will see all of the trading accounts that have previously been logged into on that server. To switch to a different account, simply double-click the account you want to use. Since the login credentials were saved earlier, the login window will appear with the account details already filled in. Click OK to complete the login process. After clicking OK, MetaTrader 5 will switch to the selected trading account. You can repeat these same steps anytime you want to move between accounts that have already been saved on the platform. That is all you need to do to switch trading accounts on MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.